YouTube, this is me, LaShawn again. Just wanted to check in with you guys because on Saturday in Baltimore, that's what I was in,
Here's the deal.
we are having
A few
a
nights ago, a radio
blizzard.
signal got sent out from somewhere. Could have been anywhere. There's these words.
I'm gonna go to the store tomorrow,
These are all characters taken from the books of Jules Verne. So clearly the message was sent by a
tomorrow
writer.
after I
My
get
equipment
back
wasn't
from the
powerful enough to
store.
receive the full message. So
you broke into that satellite
Just got a
facility to
new
push your
dog.
signal.
someone out there sent this message, and I'm gonna be the person to solve it. This is really important to me.
Scruff, scruff, scruff.
Hey, you know what? Why don't we solve this together?
Fine.
So,
First part of the message
just wanted to
the
check in with you guys.
island
Cause I haven't been
is
vlog in a while. So,
the island is real.
yeah.
Are you serious?
Make sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and that's it. See you tomorrow, guys. I'm out.
What's Mr. Coon say?